Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss about how to format Apple MacBook. First of all, we will discuss about the key combination to enter into recovery mode. Here you can see MacBook with the Intel chip has a different types of key combination, and the MacBook with the silicon chip has a different key combination for recovery mode. So I'm going to take an example of the old MacBook which is having an Intel chip. So let's start with the laptop now. Here you can see I'm using a command plus R to enter into recovery mode. You just need to press and hold until you get the screen, recovery mode screen. So let's wait. Once you see the recovery mode screen, then you can release the button and then wait for some time for the next screen. And then you see here Mac OS recovery, and now you're gonna get the login option. Just log in with the admin login here, and then just press on the admin login and then press enter the password. Once you enter the password and then click on continue, after that it's going to take you to the next screen where you can format the disk. So just select the disk utility and then click on continue, and then wait for this, and then select the first one, first hard drive. And I mean this is the main hard drive, so just select this and then click on erase button, and then just keep it as it is and then erase it. And now you can see here the progress of formatting. It takes 10 to 15 minutes mostly, and it depends on the size also. If the hard drive is very big, it's going to take much time, but this hard drive is just 128 GB, so I believe it's not going to take much time. And once it's done, you're going to get a message here that it's done success, and then you can go back to the screen, the previous screen, and then there you can reinstall the operating system from the internet. So we just need to wait, and now you can see the screen, it shows here operation successful. So now click on done and then go back to this previous screen, and then there you can reinstall the second option, reinstall macOS. So once you click on continue, it starts downloading from the internet. This also takes time to download, like 10 to 15 minutes, and depends on the internet speed as well. So we just need to wait. Once this completed, then you have to install the macOS, and that's it. After that, once it's installed, now you can see here, now you just need to click on agree, and again click on agree to install. And now you have to select the hard drive, I mean the left one, always the first one, and then click on continue. Now you have to wait again. As you can see in the screen, it's gonna take a lot of time. Just wait, let it install, and after that, once you see this screen, it means everything installed correctly. Now you can use it as a fresh new laptop. That's it guys, thank you so much.